Hello, welcome back guys. Today in this video I am going to unbox and review Infinity by HARMAN Glide 100 wireless in-ear headphones. Here's the box. It says Glide 100. It's a pretty good box with black and yellow color combination. Wireless in-ear headphones, as you can see. It has deep bass with dual IQ solution. And here's all the functions. Deep bass, you can see. It has 9mm driver size. You can see specifications: up to 7 hours audio playback, magnetic cable management, IPX5 splash, 3-button remote with microphone and comfort feed. And in the box we get the device, charging cable and all. You can use it with mobile, tablet and laptop. And here's a QR code for warranty. And that's pretty much in the box. Let's see what's there. Let's open it. So we have a plastic case inside it. Just let me remove it. And here it is. First, here we get some user manual. Make sure you read this before use. And it also has warranties and warning. How should it wear? So here are some earbuds. There are 2 sets, means total of 3 sets, with the cool yellow lining. That looks really cool. And here's the charging cable. It has micro USB. You can just put it in your adapter and charge it. So here's our main device. So let me remove it. They're fixed in the case very tightly. It's hard to remove them. But just let's shake it up a little and remove it. Here we go. And here is our main product with that Infinity logo on its back. And here, see, it's magnetic, as they said. It's good that it's magnetic, that it will not get tangled in your neck. And here's written Infinity on both the modules. Here are the buttons. It's plus, MFB and minus. MFB means multifunction button. And the charging port for charging. Let me close it. So let's get all this thing aside and let's power it on. So make sure you read it, power it on, how to, and all the basic functions. need to press the power MFB button for 2 seconds, then it will power on. Likely, let's see. That's the battery pack there. Let's do it. And there's the light, small light over there. It's blinking blue. That means it's power on. Now let's see how to connect the Bluetooth. Simply we have to press the power button for 5 seconds for the first time to pair, and it will be done. So see, it's in pairing mode. You have to open the Bluetooth from our device, scan. So you can see it will be written Infinity Glide 100. Just click it. It will say pairing and request. Yeah, okay. And it's connected. It's pretty simple to connect Bluetooth. So overall these are good quality earphones. Let's power it off. And the trail light tells that it's powered off. You also get voice notifications. It is power on or off. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share, comment what should be my next video, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And please comment what should be my next video. Here's a previous video for you, a random video. Watch it over here and subscribe right over here. Thanks for watching.